Hi everyone, hi Steffi dancers, Shelley Grantham here, executive director and jazz teacher, and I'm here with my lovely assistant, my daughter Dahlia.
Hi.
And we are here to give you a fun jazz class today on this beautiful Wednesday. So why don't you move aside all the things in your room? Let's start dancing. Grab a brother, a sister, a mom, a dad, a dog, a cat, whomever is home with you right now. And let's start moving. Just get our blood flowing on this beautiful Wednesday. So scoot back, spread out. I'm going to walk you through a little bit of what we're doing. And then we're just going to put music on and just start jamming. How's that sound? Sounds good. Like that. All right, so feet together first. We're going to roll down from our heads first, all the way to the floor for 8 counts. We roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch the floor. You're going to do a big bend of your knees, and then you're going to reverse stretch upside down, hanging your head over, and then rolling all the way up. Our right arm is going to reach over our head, over, and then it's going to circle in front of your body, and down, and then your left arm stretches over, reaches over, circle. Oh, God, I'm so sorry. And stretch down. Be mindful of how close you're staying to your friends. I'm sorry about that. 7-second position. Same thing. I'm going to move a little bit in front of Dahlia so I don't do that again. So we're going to roll down for 8 counts. Big frog stretch for 8 counts. Upside down for 8 counts. And then roll up for 8 counts. We're going to stretch again our right arm over. Circle in front of your body and down. And then our left arm stretches over. Circle in front of your body, and down. Perfect. After this 2 times, we're going to put our hands on our hips. We're going to do isolations, which is basically moving one body part at a time. We're going to start with our heads, then our shoulders, then our rib cage, feel where theirs are, and then our hips. Then we're going to do a little bit of stretching, and then some fun stuff afterwards.
Yeah.
I'm not going to talk you through the isolations. You're just going to follow along. It's pretty easy. I know you've done it with Miss Carrie or Miss Tammy, or in my class, of course, if you're coming in as a high schooler. Alrighty, let's get some music going. Are you ready, Dahlia?
Yes.
We're ready. Are you guys ready out there? So, here we go.
That's strange.
Alright, music. Sorry, guys. Let's start it again. So, feet together, first position. Make sure you have enough room with the person next to you, staying nice and tall. Rolling down for 8 counts. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3. You can even bounce if you want here. Now upside down for 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll up slowly. Now right arm goes over your head. Reach, 2, 3, 4. Circle the arm in front. Drop it down. Now reach the other arm. Circle in front. Now feet apart in second. Roll down for 8, 2, 3, 4. Touch the floor if you can. Big froggy stretch. Do a little bounce if you want. Upside down stretch. Hold it here now, feet in. Roll it up slowly. All the way. Now right arm stretches over. Circle and down. Other way. Over. Circle. Now we're going to do 4 counts. Feet together. Go 4, 3, 2, 1. And plie. Upside down. Stretch. Roll it up. And we go. Right arm. 2, 3, 4. Circle in front. Left arm over. 2, 3, 4. Circle. Feet apart. 4 counts. 2, 3, 4. Plie. 4. Stretch. 2, 3. Roll it up. Right arm. We stretch over. Circle. And other arm. Over. And circle. Hands on your hips. Ready for the heads. We're going to look to the right. Look right. Look left. Look right. Now up and down. Look up and down. And up. Do that again. Look to the right. Right. And left. And right. Now up and down. Look up and down. And up. Now ear to shoulder. Right shoulder. Left shoulder. Right shoulder. Left shoulder. Do 4 more. 3, 2. We're going to make a big circle. Circle the head. All the way around. Other direction. down. Lift your shoulders up. Drop them down. Shoulders up. Drop them down. Shoulders up. Drop them down. Shoulders up. We're going to do big circles together. Circle and circle and circle. Good. Now reverse to the front. Circle. Keep going. The music's going to come join us again. Good. Now we're going to have isolating right and then left. Ready? Right shoulder starts. Where you go. Back. And 2. And 3. And 4. And 5. Good. 6. Now we're going to go to the front. Here you go. Front. And 2. And 3. And 4. And 5. And 6. Good. 7. Now this is tricky. I learned something tricky. Let's try. So we have our shoulders, elbows, arms, arms, stop. Reverse. Arm, elbow, shoulder, shoulder. We have shoulder, elbow, arm, stop. Reverse. Arm, elbow, shoulder, shoulder. Woo! One more time. Shoulders, elbows, arm. Ready? And here we go. Shoulder, elbow, arm, stop. Arm, elbow, shoulder, shoulder. Good. Take that. That's tricky. Let's just do some nice jazz arms. So stretch your arm to the side first. So we have out and in, elbows up, out, in, bless you, elbows up, out and in, elbows and up, out and in, elbows and up. Now can we reverse that? Let's try. She says yes. Let's try. Ready? We're going to go up first. Here we go. Up, pull the elbows down, pull them out, stretch them arms. Up, in, out. Good. Up, down, elbows, out. Up, down, elbows, out. One more. Up, elbows, down, out. Woo, shake it out. Let's tap those arms out. Woo, shake it out. That's hard work, right? Hands on your hips. Let's do the rib cage. Rib cage. We lean right and left. Right? So just the rib cage. Upper body. Upper body. Can you go front and back? Front and back. Front and back. Front and back. Now we're going to go in a square. We have front, right, back, left. Ah, you got it. Front, right, back. Let's reverse. We go front, left, back, right, front, left, back. A big circle. Circle all the way around. Other way. Circle all the way around. Now let's do those hips. So you're just swinging those hips. Can you swing those arms too? Good. Can you add the head? Just jamming it out. Good. Now big hula hoop. Circle with the hips. Big hula hoop. Other way. Big hula hoop. Other way. Big hula hoop. Other way. Big hula hoop. Now we jump it in. Jump. Let's bounce our feet. Now open your toes to first position. Bounce those feet. Now go parallel second position. Bounce those feet. Turn those toes out. Can we do little jumps? Jump. Toes in. Heels in. Toes in. And stay here and hold. Breathe in. Exhale. Good job. Good job, you guys. Thumbs up. All right.
Yay.
So now we're going to do our 3-step touch to the side. We're actually do a 3-step jump, clap, right? Let's start with our hands on our hips, right? We're going to go to the right. So we have side, cross it in front, side, we're going to jump, clap. Go the other way. Side, cross it in front, side, jump, clap. Again, side and front and side, jump, side and front and side, jump, clap. You got it, high five.
Yay.
So, can we go faster? Ready? Can you go faster at home? Let's try. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 1, 2, 3, jump. Up. Side, cross, front, and side, jump. Side, cross, front, and side, jump. Side, jump, front, and yes, good. All right. Same thing, except we're going to do it turning. Which way do you turn? Forwards or backwards? Forwards. So, hands on those hips again. We're going to go back to the right. We're going to step side, turn forwards, side, jump, clap. Again, side and turn and side, jump, clap. Side and turn and side, jump, clap. Side and turn and side, jump, clap. Our hands are going to be on our hips when we're turning. Okay? So put something sticky on your hands, put them onto your hips. Let's try that a little bit faster. Always turning forwards. Ready? 5, 6, to the right. We go side, turn, front, and side, jump, clap. Side, turn, front. Now try not to look down. Look up to your face and side, jump. If we were in the dance studio, you'd be looking towards the mirror. So maybe now you're looking towards the camera, or you're looking towards your backyard, whatever it may be at home. So let's try this with a little fun music. Yay! One of our favorite songs we like, Watermelon Sugar. All right.
Tastes like strawberries.
All right, so we're going to have our feet together to start, hands on hips. No turn. 4 first, just playing. And then 4 turning. First 4, no turn. Just 3 step side touch. Ready? To the right. Here we go. And we walk. 1, 2, 3. Walk. 2, 3. 2 more. Walk. 2, 3. Good. We're going to turn. Here we go. Turn. 2, 3. Jump. Woo! Turn. 2, 3. Jump. Turn. 2, 3. Jump. Turn. Good. We're going to lunge. Side. 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 Big wide feet. Good. And we're going to have our arms go up and cross. And cross. And cross. And cross. Can they stay there? Good. Big stretch. Elbows on your knees. Good. Big stretch. Good, you guys. We're going to lunge to the right. 3 step back, leg really straight. Stretch your shoulders down. Bounce up. So you're going to pull that back leg into step. We're going to roll on our side all the way to the other side. And lunge. Good. Left leg in front. Knee over that ankle. Reach that back leg nice and straight. Bounce it up. Sit. Roll. And stand up. Woo! Let's have our feet wide. So arm, arm, arm. Arm, arm, arm. Arm, arm, arm. Arm. Can we add some hips to it? Hip, hip, hip. Hip, hip, hip. Hip, hip, hip. Hip, hip, hip. Check it out. All right. Good job, you guys. So this was a little new one. I didn't teach it to you before you started it. Hands face front. Yes? So we have elbows bend. Bend. Other switch. 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 Now our hips are doing the same thing. Switch. 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 So it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to do our arms like this. Pull them in. In. Aha. In. Yeah. In. So don't bring your hand up. Yeah. Bring it in. We're going to add another trick, Julia. We're going to have a right. Bless you. We're going to have hip, hip, pull the knee up. Hip, hip, passe. Hip, hip, passe. Hip, hip, passe. Now in that passe position, our foot's going to the inside of the knee, not the outside, but the inside of the knee. Dolly's very brave because she doesn't take dance, so she's just jumping right into it, right?
I do.
She takes dance in the summer. So here we go. We have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Use those elbows and reach. Woo! Shake it out. Let's try that to music. Here we go. Let's go back to the beginning. So, can we Go back to our 3-step touch, 4 plank, 4 turning, and then we add these hips. Yeah? Let's try it. First, together, feet together, staying nice and tall, hands in your hips. Breathe in. Exhale, 3-step touch. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Now we turn. 1, 2, 3. Turn to the front. 2, 3. Turn. 2, 3. Go. Turn. Good. Hips we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ha, good job. All right, we're doing the Lindsay, remember? So we chasse, ball change. Chasse, ball change. Chasse, ball change. Now your chasse always back front, back front. Chasse, ball change, back front. Chasse, ball change. Chasse. Good. We're going to add a fun arm. So our arms, remember these? Cross in the front, and we swing them. Out, and in. Out, and in. Out, and in. Out. So we're going to try that with the Lindy. So feet together, we're going to Lindy to the right. 5, 6, 7, go. Chasse, ball change. Chasse, ball change. Chasse, ball change. Chasse, ball change. Good job. All right. So we're going to add that all together. We have our 4 3-step turns, our 4 3-step turning, right? Our 4 hip passes, our 4 Lindies, and then I want to have 4 poses. Can you think of 4 poses? 1, 2, 3, 4. Mine are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can improvise those poses. They don't have to be the same every time. They can be different every time, right?
Yes, they are.
Perfect. So 4 3-step turns, 3-step jumps, 4 turning 3 steps. Then we have our 4 hips, and then we have our 4 Lindies, and then we have our 4 poses to have our big finish. Are you ready? How do we start? Feet together, first position. Let's get a little watermelon sugar on. Good job. All right. Oops, sorry. All right, here we go. Take a big breath in, everyone. Exhale. And let's have fun. Let's do my thing. Ready? And here we go. 3 steps. Jump. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Now return. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 2 more. Good. Now we add the hips. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. Good. Let's do 4 more because the music's telling us to. Ready? Last one. Lindy. Lindy. Ball change. Lindy. Ball change. Lindy. Ball change. Are you ready? Your poses? Here you go. Pose. Hold. Pose. Hold. Pose. Hold. Pose. Give yourself a good round of applause. Bow and bow. Say thank you. You guys, that was awesome dancing. Thank you so much for dancing with me. I hope you had fun. If you want to keep that dancing, then stop, rewind, do the dance again, and add on any fun things. Dolly, you say goodbye?
Bye.
Bye. Have fun, you guys. Happy Wednesday.